Ndewono, dalo, no genkuzi asusu Igbo ọzọ. Hey, hi, well done. You are welcome back to another episode of Learn Igbo Language with me. So, on this episode, we are continuing from where we stopped on our last episode, part 2 of 2 ways sentences in Igbo language. Okay? So we're going to continue from where we stopped, which was I'm coming. I'm coming means anam abia. Okay, anam abia, that is I'm coming. So the first on our list for today is please wait. Biko chere. Please wait. Biko chere. Please means biko. Chere means wait. So please wait. Biko chere. So if you want to say please wait for me, when you want to please personalize it, like please wait for me, you just go ahead and say biko chere or you say biko chere mu. Whichever way that is, it's gonna be easy for you. Suit yourself. You can either say biko chere or you say biko chere mu. Okay, so I'll always say this whenever you hear or mu in Igbo language, it means personal. It means me. It's personal. Okay, you can't share it. Okay, so biko cherem or biko cheremu, that is please wait for me. Another one is be quiet. Nodu nwayo. Be quiet. That is nodu nwayo. Nodu means be. In this case, nodu means be. Quiet means nwayo. Nodu nwayo. So eat food. Rie nri. That is the Central Igbo. In my own dialect, as an Anambra woman, I will tell you lie nli. Lie nli. But the Central Igbo says, that is the Igbo Nzube, says rie nri. Rie nri. Okay? So you can say rie nri, or you can also say lie nli, depending on your own mother tongue. Okay? So whichever way it is okay. What is important is speak Igbo, right? Okay, so eat food, rie nri. Okay, but I will tell you lie nri. Good. Follow me. Follow me, som. Follow me, let's go. That is som kanyi ga. So follow me means som. But the Central Igbo means sorum. In the Central Igbo, it is said sorum. Rum means follow me. So room, follow me. Okay, moving down, we have leave the way. Pụọ n'ụzọ. Leave the way, that is pụọ n'ụzọ. Excuse me. Pụọ n'ụzọ. Pụọ n'ụzọ. Leave the way. Pụọ n'ụzọ. Ụzọ means door. Okay, ụzọ means door, but in this case, ụzọ means the road, the way. Okay, so leave the road, leave the way, pụọ n'ụzọ. Okay, good. Moving down, open the door. Open the door. Mepee ụzọ. Open means mepee. Mepee ụzọ or meghee ụzọ is open the door. Some say meghepụ ụzọ. It still means open the door. Meghepụ ụzọ, meghee ụzọ. It means open the door. Okay, open the door. Okay. Another one is our house. That is ụlọ anyị. House is ụlọ. House on its own is ụlọ. Ụlọ. Once you hear ụlọ, that is house. Anyị means ours, we, us. Okay, anyị, we, us, ours. That is anyị. Read it. That is gụọ ya. Read it. Gụọ ya. Read means gụọ. Read, gụọ. Ya in this case means eat. Remember, I will always tell you in Igbo language, one sentence may have more than 3 or 4 meanings. It depends on what sentence you are making at the moment. So you just keep learning so you'll be able to catch up with the way to use each sentence at the right time, if that is making sense. Yes. So read it. Goya. This week. Izu oka. Izu oka. This week. Izu oka. Izu oka. Izu oka means week. Izu oka, week. That is at the end of the sentence, which is izu oka. Read my lips. Izu oka. That stands for this. Okay, so izu oka, this week. So what? Gini mezie. Gini mezie. That is so what? So when someone is talking to you and you feel like giving that person that attitude, you know that attitude now, and so what? You'll be like, Gini mezie, okay? Gini mezie. That's good. Gini mezie. Stop it. That is kwụsị ya. Stop it. Stop. Kwụsị. Once you hear kwụsị, it means stop. Kwụsị. Stop. It. Yeah. Kwụsị ya. Stop it. So guys, this is the end of today's lesson. I believe we are also going to have the part 3 of these two-way sentences in Igbo language, because it's a whole lot of sentences and we have to break it short so you can be able to remember them all. I'll see you guys on our next episode. For now, don't forget to like, share, comment, follow, subscribe, hit on the notification bell. Do whatever it is you need to do. I love you guys. See you on our next episode. For now, bye-bye.